Guys, I finally found the ultimate karaoke setup for your home, and it's all available on Amazon. Feast your eyes on this. After trying endless combinations of gear, I've hit the jackpot with a setup that's budget-friendly and sounds incredible. This pairing of a high-quality mixer and a killer microphone delivers that pro karaoke vibe right in your living room without breaking the bank. It's easy to set up, the sound quality is amazing, and trust me, this video is exactly what you need to make that happen. On a budget, without tons of gear, and with easy-to-find Amazon items. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create an affordable, high-quality karaoke setup right at home. Here at Karaoke Hacks, we've built a ton of setups and helped viewers like you host unforgettable karaoke nights. If you love the idea of karaoke on a budget, subscribe to Karaoke Hacks. We're always sharing easy, creative ways to bring karaoke into your home. First off, let's start with why this setup makes sense. This setup combines a karaoke mixer, wireless microphone, an optical to RCA converter, and a few cables to work seamlessly with a smart TV and external sound system. We'll be using YouTube for our karaoke tracks, and this approach keeps it simple, affordable, and most importantly, works with nearly any home setup. Now let's set up your DIY karaoke system step by step. Step 1. Unbox your mixer and wireless microphone system and plug in the mixer. It's the hub where your TV's audio and microphone audio will blend together. This professional DJ mixer is fantastic for a home karaoke setup because it combines versatile audio control, user-friendly Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple input options in one compact unit. First, it has multiple channels for connecting different audio sources. 2 microphones, ideal for duets, AUX inputs, and even USB, which means you can hook up everything from mics and instruments to backing tracks seamlessly. The mixer features EQ controls and built-in effects that can enhance vocals, letting you tweak sound levels to find that perfect balance or add a touch of reverb to make singers feel like they're on stage. Its rugged yet compact design also fits well in a home setup without taking up too much space. Essentially, this mixer provides all the audio customization and connectivity you'd want for a high-quality karaoke experience without requiring a ton of extra equipment or technical know-how. The dynamic karaoke microphone, on the other hand, is an excellent choice for a home karaoke setup due to its durability, sound clarity, and simplicity. As a dynamic microphone, it's designed to handle high sound pressure, making it ideal for the enthusiastic and sometimes loud singing that comes with karaoke. This type of microphone is less sensitive to background noise, so it picks up vocals clearly even in a lively room, helping your voice come through without interference. The mic also has a built-in pop filter, which reduces harsh vocal sounds, making it more forgiving for singers without professional technique. Its simple plug-and-play design means you can connect it to mixers, speakers, or karaoke machines quickly. No extra setup required. And with a heavy-duty metal construction, this mic is built to last, standing up to the wear and tear of karaoke sessions while looking sleek and professional. This mic offers clear sound, easy setup, and durability, making it perfect for bringing your vocals to life in a home karaoke setting. 2. Connect the microphone receiver to your mixer's mic input. This is where all the fun happens. The mixer lets you control the microphone's volume and any vocal effects. Step 2. Setting up the karaoke mixer and microphone. Connect your TV to the mixer using the optical to RCA converter. 1. Locate the optical out port on your smart TV. Most smart TVs have this digital audio port or optical out as their main audio output. 2. Connect the optical cable from your TV's optical output to the optical to RCA converter. This device converts the digital sound signal from the TV to analog, which will need to connect with the mixer. 3. Connect RCA cables from the converter's RCA output to the karaoke mixer's input. This setup ensures that the audio from YouTube, your karaoke tracks, will play through the mixer. 3. Test the mic's range and clarity. Walk around the room to see how well the mic works in your space. You'll be glad you chose a wireless mic for that extra freedom, especially if you have a lot of room or expect friends to sing along. Step 3. Linking the mixer to your external sound system. Identify the audio inputs on your external sound system. Most home audio systems, like soundbars or home theater systems, have a 3.5 mm or RCA input. Now that everything's connected, let's fine-tune the audio settings to get the best possible sound. Adjust the mic volume on your mixer. Try adding a touch of reverb to enhance vocals and create that classic karaoke feel. Balance TV volume and mic volume. You don't want the music drowning out your vocals, so find the right balance by testing a few karaoke songs. Set your sound system volume to a level that fills the room without causing feedback or distortion. Pro tip: if you notice any delay between the video and audio, check your Smart TV's audio settings and turn off any audio sync or delay features. Congratulations! Your karaoke system is all set up and ready for action. If this setup guide was helpful, please hit that like button, comment what you think, or if you have any questions, or share this video with a friend who needs a karaoke upgrade. Want to recreate this setup yourself? We've included all the links to the items in the description below. Click them to get your karaoke setup going just in time for the next party. Don't forget to subscribe to Karaoke Hacks for more tips, product reviews, and creative ways to bring karaoke to life at home. See you in the next video.